Oh man, I made the giant mistake of sending my email personalization and it coming out looking like this. Hey, first name, last name, instead of just, hey, Jose. So, this is a test because I fixed it already, but I want to run you through so you don't make the same mistake. Now, this happened because people were signing up to my newsletter here on my company site. First name, last name, email address. And this is run through Squarespace, which is a platform that I love for marketing sites and easy digital foundations. Now, they plugged in here, signed up, thinking all is fine and well. I also thought everything was fine and well, and I was wrong. Because what I've had in place is a really cool Zap where anybody who signs up for my newsletter on my company website comes into here and then is pushed into Kit. So you can see I've got it set up here. This is the new newsletter form, and then it's going into Kit. Now here's what I've had to adjust. Let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and edit this. All right. Previously, this was showing up as name, John Smith. First name, last name, John Smith. So this is going to be the default if you have this set up in Squarespace and in Kit and you've got it just set up in Zapier. So you need to change this. You need to manually say, no, we don't want this. We just want this one. Name, first name, John. It should look just like this so that the first name is populated only with the first name here. You'll hit continue, and then you can go ahead and publish this. I'm going to go ahead and retest the step. Perfect. This is what I want to see. First name, John, not John Smith, just John. We're going to go ahead and continue. And then we're going to go ahead and publish. Ready to update this app? Yes, I most definitely am. Now, any person who signs up on my company site, first name, last name, email address, it doesn't really care about the last name, but it does record the first name when it comes to personalization. And so now in my test, it will not look like this. I should get their name, and in this case, I most certainly do. That is what we want. Anyway, that is the really quick fix. It's all done through Zapier. It might be really, really frustrating, and there's really no way for you to know. I got really lucky. Somebody screenshot it and sent it to me, and so that was really, really nice. But that's the only way that I knew. So if you are having issues with that personalization, and if you are using Zapier to push your subscribers into Kit, doesn't matter if it's from Squarespace or any other web platform, then you'll definitely want to check this out and make sure that the first name just pulls the first name and not the full name. I hope that this was helpful. If so, please do like and subscribe. It makes a huge difference, and thanks so much.